On February 2, 2024, the United States responded forcefully to a drone attack on a Jordanian base, launching airstrikes in Iraq and Syria. The Al Jafr Air Base in Jordan was hit, killing 3 American soldiers. The U.S. points fingers at Iranian-backed militias. President Biden, this heinous act will not go unanswered. We will respond decisively. Days later, President Biden authorizes airstrikes against over 85 targets in Iraq and Syria. Pentagon official, meticulously planned strikes aimed at minimizing civilian casualties while targeting militia infrastructure. But what do these strikes mean for the region and the delicate balance between deterrence and unintended consequences? The U.S. seeks deterrence, but will Iran perceive this as escalation? The delicate dance begins. Could these strikes destabilize the region further? Neighboring countries might be drawn into the conflict. Addressing the root causes is crucial. A long-term strategy is needed to prevent future violence. Consider these potential scenarios in the aftermath of the strikes. Will Iran opt for a measured response? Diplomacy is key to de-escalation. Both sides in a retaliatory dance could lead to a dangerous escalation with humanitarian and regional security implications. Narrator: Iran and proxies may resort to cyber attacks or indirect methods, posing challenges in response. The U.S. faces a critical juncture in its relationship with Iran. Diplomacy, communication, and a long-term strategy are essential. Only through careful navigation can the U.S. address tensions and work towards a stable and peaceful Middle East.